What if one product photo could generate your entire visual catalog? No reshoots, no studio, no production delays. Today, I'm going to show you how modern fashion brands are building complete visual workflows from just one image. If you run a fashion brand, you already know this. Photo shoots, booking models, endless editing, creating color variants, every new product means more cost, more coordination, more waiting. And scaling visuals? Almost impossible. But what if we start with just this, one photo? Let's build everything from it. Just open Snappyit in your browser and watch what happens next. First, ghost Mannequin. Upload, pick a style, generate. Now you have a clean studio quality product image. No mannequin, no editing, no reshoot. This becomes your master product image. Now let's scale it. Instead of reshooting every color, just choose color change, describe the area, pick a color, and generate. Suddenly, one SKU becomes two. Because products don't sell on hangers, they sell on people. Send it straight to try on, pick a model, done in seconds. Now your customers can visualize the fit instantly. No casting, no logistics, no production calendar. Want different looks for different audiences? Model swap. Simply paint over the face you want to replace, choose a model, and generate. A new face in seconds, same product, multiple campaigns. Static images are good, but motion sells better. Send your model image straight into image to video and turn it into a ready-to-run fashion clip automatically. Perfect for ads, social media, product pages. This isn't 5 tools. It's one continuous visual workflow. Upload once, generate everything. The brands that move faster win. And today, speed is visual. Try Snappyit for free and build your entire visual pipeline from a single photo. Stop producing visuals the old way. Start scaling them with AI. Comment Snappyit below, and we'll send you free credits to try it yourself.